Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make flower pot with flowers from plastic bottle. First take a plastic bottle and cut it from the middle. Then cut them into stripes as shown in the video. Now start bending it. Now there is a demonstration how to make flowers. Here it goes. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 4. Now let's watch the video to make it nicely. First, take a square piece of paper and fold it into a triangle, then again fold it into half and again fold it into half. Now take the scissors and cut a heart shape from the top. Like this. Now open the fold and cut one petal of it. Now take some glue and paste them over one another. Now our flower is ready. Like this you have to make many flowers. Here I have made different color flowers. Now take a plastic cup and take out its wrapper. Now put the 3 of them over it. Then take some glue and paste it over it. Place the cap and on over it paste the bottle. Now let's stick the flowers on the bottle strips. Our flower pot with flowers is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.